Hello, welcome to my presentation on Motion User Interfaces by Nicole Mason, University of Wisconsin-Stout, ICT 675, Spring 2017. My presentation will focus on a number of components. First, we will look at what is Motion User Interfaces. Number two, we'll look at why they are popular. Number three, looking at the trends, motion graphic trends. Number four, looking at animations. Number five, looking at transitions. Number six, looking at principles. Number seven, looking at the disadvantages. And number eight, looking at the future of motion user interfaces. What is motion user interfaces or interface? It is a standalone library that creates transition effects. It produces animations. It has awesome transitions. It's less complicated to use and is compatible with JavaScript libraries. Popularity. Why is this so popular? A, it has ease of integration. B, it creates better user experiences. And C, it's the simplicity. Takes less time and steps are easy to understand. What are the motion graphic trends in the future? There are three: animations, transitions, motion modifiers. With animations, you look at it's more with storytelling, and developers are looking for ways to create animations that take less time. Transitions has been around for many years, but it has gained a lot of popularity over the years, and it creates a feeling of fluidity in a website. And motion modifiers, which looks or affects the speed, direction, ease, iteration, and delay of animations. The next two slides will focus more on animations and transitions. Animations. There are a number of trends that are upcoming with animations. Number one, many web developers are making sure that animations are natural and responsive. Number two, we're seeing an increase of or a mixture of 2D and 3D motion graphics being utilized. Number three, we're seeing an abandonment of Flash. Many professionals are really getting away from using Flash and using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript motion graphics to enhance user experiences as well as interfaces. Number four, we are seeing logos being translated or transferred into icons, animated GIFs, or emojis. And logos are being, you know, utilized as a tool for brand awareness. We are seeing a decrease of static logos, and they're really diminishing in the designer world. Number five, we see animated documentaries, which promotes awareness and storytelling. And number six, kinetic typography, which is utilized to promote awareness in a subtle way. Let's look at transitions. Transitions is a core function of motion user interfaces. It has, again, been around for many years, but it has gained popularity over the years. It is utilized to present new content as well as replacing content. Again, it gives the feeling of fluidity, and you can utilize the JavaScript library to create transitions. And one of the transitions that are upcoming is the smoke style transition. And smoke style transitions are utilized for storytelling. And I just have a quick sample here just to show how it looks. So as you can see from one slide to another slide, you see the smoke style transition. And again, it provides a smooth transition from one slide to the next. That feel of fluidity. The principles of motion user interfaces: one would be personality. It should have character that engages the user. Number two, orientation. The design should be able to guide the user properly when he or she enters the app or website. Number three, it should create a positive emotion. And number four, responsive. It should complement the user's action. The disadvantage of motion user interfaces, there are three. And the first one is slow loading, that can create disengagement and potential loss in conversions. All browsers do not support animation, so that can create a problem with motion user interfaces. Uh, if you're dealing with older web browsers. Overloading, complex animations could overload the screen or page. Distraction, interfaces that have too many various animations can take away from the content or the website itself. So, what is the future of motion user interfaces? Well, the future is motion, and it is beginning to drive the entire user interface world, and it is used to build brand awareness. It will be the standard in Google. Google is now, moving forward in terms of they're wanting mobile devices, um, websites, apps to be more having the motion user interfaces. And number three, there is a rise of motion user interfaces that responds to touch. And we're seeing this with iPhones, iPads, iPods, certain laptops, and even desktops. Thanks for watching my presentation. As you can see here, here are my list of references. Thank you.